welcome back to another unboxing and the quick thoughts on the new iPhone 16 Pro. A thinner box this time compared to the box of the SE, because the cheap guys at Apple don't ship them out with the charging block anymore. You can tell the amount of force I was putting on that strip, and you see I don't do this very often. New phone, haven't finished talking yet and I am already breaking it. Lovely. So I bought the iPhone 16 Pro 128 gigabytes in natural titanium and I paid 1,149 euros. I'll never recover from that financially, a bad decision. I'm joking, irony, but I really like the way it looks on its grayish color. And those three cameras, I don't think I'll ever get used to the size of them and their width, to be honest. The way the new buttons feel is something I am trying to also get used to, especially the new camera buttons, but I'll get a little bit more on that a bit later. And for your enjoyment and direct comparison, here's my old phone to see the difference of the upgrade. It is a big one, and I still love the size of the SE. I think it's the best size all around. But, this guy needed to go to the retirement home. It only brings a braided USB-C to USB-C cable and the usual unlocking tool for the phone card and the usual paperwork like guarantees and things like that. No stickers. Cheap guys. So the next up is the second part of the video that I'm just going to give you my thoughts after almost 5 to 6 months of using it. I'm very happy with it, like I told you, but it's not perfect. Not everyone is, except me. First off, it's the battery. After 101 charges, it's still at 100%, which is, to me, good. Could be, I'm hoping I'm pulling a lot more charges and still getting that 100%. And what I do with my phone is I have the limit set at a range that it doesn't charge more than 80% at all times. Doesn't do it. Unless I tell him to go to 100% before I go to somewhere that I won't be able to charge it. Talking about Apple Intelligence, at the moment, since I'm based off Europe, my experience with Apple is a very limited one. For example, here's a picture I took in Rome, in the Spanish Steps, lovely city, bit crowded, but And the thing I can do is like remove people, basically. It still needs a bit of a touch-up, but it's good, it's a good tool. And as you can tell, it's not perfect by any means, but it's still getting there. Another example, it's me with my two lovely girls, and to be fair, it shines a bit more here. I can clean up a lot more things on the image so that the grass that's not as green as the others, the toys in the background, I can remove them. The camera is very good. As you'll probably tell, the action camera really makes a difference while recording. The cinematic mode is very good. I'll show you as well by seeing the waters falling. You can see there's quality in it. Again, I know there's a lot more phones that can zoom in a lot more and have more quality. I think it's a good phone. I think it has a good camera quality compared to the SE. It blows it out of the water completely. Another cool thing is the fact that it can change what is in focus in post-production. It's very good. It gives you a lot of liberty to play around with it. And the screen, it helps a lot the fact that it's wide, so you can see YouTube videos on top and still do other things on the side. I don't read and see YouTube videos, it's just an example, chill. Talking about the reading aspect of it, it's probably one of the best things that I got surprised by this phone. The fact that the screen goes at 1 nit of brightness. It's amazing when you're reading in bed and everything is black and it's not that shiny on your head, and you can go right after sleep when you turn off the phone. No comics, but it's just normal books. It completely makes Kindle and Kobo unnecessary to me. The action button good and all, but I don't think I'll use that much. I just put it the data, the button that turns on data basically, but I don't use it, to be honest. I don't think it's a good thing. It's something stupid I decided to do. They'll probably remove it, I'll think. The satellite option, I never had it or needed it. That's more the word, but it's good to know that it's there and you might not get stuck. Here in Portugal, there's not a lot of places that you don't have connection, so hopefully I won't need it, but it's good to know that you have it. Another thing that it needs to be mentioned, it's the Face ID. My god, that thing is stupid. Like, come on, proper dumb. Touch ID forever, to the grave, the goat. That's pretty much it, my guys, my girls as well. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.